Welcome to GrowRich, the space where we uncover the truths about success and wealth. Today we're delving into a critical topic impacting the financial future of countless young adults. If you're in your 20s and eager to secure your financial well-being, stay tuned because we're about to unveil the #1 financial mistake most young adults make. But before we begin, ensure you subscribe and hit that notification bell to never miss out on our insightful content. Now, let's begin. Have you ever wondered why so many young adults find themselves in a financial labyrinth despite earning decent incomes? The #1 financial mistake most young adults make revolves around living beyond their means. In today's consumer-driven society, it's easy to fall into the trap of overspending. The allure of material possessions and experiences can lead to a detrimental cycle of debt and financial instability. Meet Rachel, a recent graduate enticed by the allure of immediate gratification. She found herself drawn into the whirlwind of credit card purchases for trendy clothes and frequent dining out. Although momentarily satisfying, it amassed substantial debt, hindering her capacity to invest or save for the future. According to the Federal Reserve, the average U.S. household carries over $145,000 in debt, largely due to credit cards and student loans. Living beyond one's means has become a significant barrier to building wealth. To break free from this cycle, it's crucial to embrace mindful spending. Start by creating a detailed budget that encompasses necessary expenses, savings, and a reasonable allocation for leisure. Prioritize paying off high-interest debts to regain financial control. Beyond the immediate consequences, this financial mistake significantly impacts long-term goals. Debilitating debt obstructs progress towards investments, homeownership, and financial freedom, leaving individuals financially constrained. Consider John, despite a healthy income, who found himself unable to save for investments or plan for the future. His significant monthly debt payments diminished his disposable income, delaying his journey toward financial independence. A Bankrate survey found that 51% of adults are unable to invest for retirement due to substantial debt obligations. The lack of early investment significantly diminishes the potential for long-term wealth accumulation. To liberate yourself from this financial burden, focus on establishing a debt payoff strategy. Concentrate on clearing high-interest debts first and gradually eliminate them. This approach will release funds for investment and pave the way for long-term wealth building. Breaking this cycle commences with a mindset shift and strategic financial planning. The solution lies in embracing financial discipline, living within your means, and implementing a budget aligned with your aspirations. Initiate by assessing your current financial status. Create a comprehensive budget that includes essential expenses, savings, and a reasonable portion for discretionary spending. Prioritize eliminating high-interest debts, gradually freeing up resources for investment and savings. Remember, delayed gratification is a powerful wealth-building tool. By consciously avoiding unnecessary expenses and concentrating on long-term financial goals, you chart a path to a secure and prosperous future. Take charge of your finances, and gradually, the life you aspire to live will become your reality. As we conclude, it's vital to realize that the #1 financial mistake most young adults make is within our power to rectify. By embracing financial responsibility and informed decision-making, you lay the groundwork for a brighter financial future. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for additional insights on wealth, success, and personal development. Thank you for joining us today.